How do you find motivation again? I find the best way to remember what got you started on the journey is your why, right? Why did you start this journey? What motivated you to go after and pursue what you want? For me, for writing, what is my why? And once you remember what your why is, all that motivation, passion should start flooding back in. Even if you don't start right away, at least you already going to be on the right track and you can take step by step on the journey to finding and regaining that passion again. What is flashback? Flashback is a literary device that is used to take you back in time so you can learn something that is happening in the present time story that is necessary to push the story forward. If you want a really good example of what flashback is, watch the TV show The CW Arrow. They use it in almost every single episode, and it is the best way to understand what a flashback is because it pushes it back and forth. It goes from the present time, you learn something, it goes to the past, so you understand how that happened here, and then that kind of shoots you forward in the story. This is Creative Writing Lessons. This is where I give you tips and tricks to writing a successful story, especially for beginners. If you're loving this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video so I can keep pumping out these amazing videos. All right, let's continue the video. What is foreshadowing? Foreshadowing is a warning or little signs that will tell you about a future event. To use a foreshadow, I always use it while I want to show a twist in my story, right? Something that is unexpected, but you leave little clues and hints as a writer so the reader, if they pick up on it, can tell about the twist that is about to come and happen. And one of the ones I use for my example in my longer video is from Supernatural, where Dean keeps saying that he's the one that's going to die, his brother will live on because that's just how it is, and it foreshadows at the very end last season exactly what happens. Hello there. So I have 2 kids books out of my 4 kids book series self-published on Amazon. If you want to check them out, the link will be in the description below. And if you have Kindle Unlimited, you get these books for free. Writing dialogue. So my number 1 tip for writing dialogue is make sure the dialogue is true to that character. If the character wouldn't say it, then don't have them say it at all. So if the character is unintelligent, don't have them talking really long words or, long sentences and stuff like that because it's not true to who they are. They'll probably be only saying like a 5-word sentence. Dumb words, nothing big. Maybe words of a 5th grader or a 3rd grader compared to somebody who is highly intelligent that will be using a college level speaking. And so make sure that you always be true to the character when writing dialogue